Hey friends, it's Miss Dow. I am making this video with kind of mixed emotions in my heart because I can't believe it's the last week of school. I am sad that I'm not with you guys. I'm sad that we didn't get to finish artwork. I'm sad that we didn't get to get all of our art together in our art journals, and we're missing out on a lot. So I just want to start by saying I have a bit of sadness in my heart right now. And I miss you a lot, and I really miss being in my room with you guys. I miss teaching art a lot. But I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're finding happiness, and I'm hoping that somehow you're being creative. And throughout the summer, you can come back to the Creative Learning Plan website and look at all those cool lesson plans for art ideas. And this week's week 8, it is all about using nature in art, which is such a fun thing to do, especially as the days start to get warmer and nice this summer. Friends, I wanted to take a little bit of time right now to do what I would have done with you on your last day of art, and that is watch our traditional Bob Ross video. It is one of my favorite traditions, and again, I'm a little sad because one of my favorite things is listening to your sweet voices sing along with Bob Ross. It's pretty cool that you know the words, and I wish I could hear you singing. So I'm going to watch the video with you guys, and I'm going to pretend like you're here in my house with me and singing the song with me. So I'm going to pull that video up, and we'll watch our Bob Ross video together.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you. First of all, let me take just a moment to thank you for allowing me back into your homes. If this is your first time with us, let me extend a personal invitation for you to drag out your oil paints and paint along with us each week. Let's go up to the canvas here and let's get started. I believe, every day's a good day when you paint. I believe, it'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart. I believe, every day's a good day when you paint. I believe, it'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart. Let's build a happy little cloud. Let's build some happy little trees. There are no limits here. Start out by believing here. You can almost paint with anything. All you have to do is practice. There are no limits here. You start out by believing here. This is your world. You're the creator. Find freedom on this canvas. Believe that you can do it. Because you can do it. Give it a little touch.
I hope you guys are singing along because I can pretend like I'm hearing your voice singing with me.
Give it a little push. Caress it. Very gentle. Grab it, lift it, fluff it. You can go on and on and on. Back and forth, layer after layer after layer. Let's build a happy little cloud. Let's build some happy little trees. There are no limits here. You start out by believing here. This is your world. You're the creator. Find freedom on this canvas. Believe that you can do it. Because you can do it. Relax.
This is my favorite part.
Flow. Think like water.
Think like water. Relax. Let it flow. You can go on and on and on. We don't make mistakes. Just happy accidents. Anything that you want to do. Total power. Sing along. Have a good time.
Freedom on this canvas. Believe that you can do it. Because you can do it. Because you can do it. I believe. Every day's a good day when you paint. I believe. It'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart. I believe. Every day's a good day when you paint. I believe. It'll bring say a lot of good thoughts to your heart.
That was our very favorite Bob Ross video. Oh, friends, I wish more than anything that I could have been watching that with you in my classroom and singing along and hearing your voices. But alas, here we are. So, friends, let's make the best of it, and I can't wait to see you in the fall. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna make so much art. We're gonna smile and laugh and sing together again. And boys and girls, I hope that this summer you have fun and know that Miss Dow is thinking about you and missing you and loving you. So, be well, friends, and have a happy summer.